Give it another go, understanding persistence in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very common but powerful phrase, give it another go. This expression is all about persistence, trying again, and not giving up. Whether you're learning a new skill, facing a challenge, or simply need the encouragement to continue, understanding this phrase can be incredibly motivating. So, let's break it down and see how you can use it in your daily life. Give it another go is a phrase that means to try something again after a failed attempt or setback. It suggests that despite not succeeding the first time, one should not give up and should instead make another effort. This phrase embodies a spirit of resilience and determination, encouraging individuals to persist in their endeavors. To truly grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. After failing a test, I know you're disappointed, but you can always study harder and give it another go. Learning a new skill, like playing an instrument, don't be discouraged if you can't get it right the first time. Give it another go. Practice makes perfect. Overcoming a challenge in a video game or sport. That level was tough, but give it another go. You might beat it this time. These examples show that the phrase can be applied in various contexts, from academic challenges to personal hobbies and sports. Understanding the phrase, give it another go, also means appreciating the value of persistence. This phrase teaches us that failure is not the end but rather a step towards success. It encourages a growth mindset, where challenges are seen as opportunities to learn and improve, rather than insurmountable obstacles. And there you have it. The phrase, give it another go, is a wonderful reminder that in life, persistence is key. Whether you're learning English, picking up a new hobby, or facing a tough challenge, remember that it's okay to fail. What's important is that you're ready to dust yourself off and try again. We hope this video inspires you to give it another go, whatever your it may be. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.